Hello from Kelly Hicks. I'm going to give you a good tour of my 2000 trophy park model. It's a luxury park model with all sorts of good features. Currently it's located at my lot at Woodhaven, but it's for sale on its own also. Here you go. Let's look around it. As you can see, it's hooked up to satellite dish. It has a 2.5 ton central AC. It's got some nice bay windows, 20-gallon electric hot water heater. Right now it's got a dual 100 propane hookup. You could always change that. This is the rear, bedroom in the rear. It's a nice clean trailer, and I put a brand new roof on it last fall to give it some extended life. Let's go on in. Here we go. 56,000 BTU furnace, Coleman, auto ignite. There's the bedroom. Nice big bed. Pretty good place here. Sure looks bigger than a queen, but I'll say it's a queen. Probably is a queen. Just looking big today. Ceiling fan. You got skylights overhead so you can fall asleep and watch the stars if you want. It is a drop rear. As you can see, there's 2 steps up. Then you've got a tall ceiling. So it gives you a nice open feeling. Now up here in the main deck, you've got, looks like pergo flooring. Really nice flooring. Matches all the cabinets nicely. Cabinet, shelving, adjustable shelving. Again, more adjustable shelving. If this was yours, you can keep the sign. And it says, "Welcome to my happy place. You'll be very happy." Okay, so heading on in here, check this bathroom out. You got a skylight in the bath. It's a 1-piece fiberglass shower with glass doors. Check it out. Nice big sprayer. Plenty of room to get around in here. There's Kelly. How you doing? Got over the commode place to put your toilet paper maybe. And then you've got your medicine cabinet, vanity, storage underneath, and a window to let any foul aromas out that you may cause. Okay, so over here, we're in the kitchen. It's a mid-kitchen. Got a nice big 18.5 cubic foot GE fridge. Brand new faucet, touchless faucet. Just put that in because the old one bit the bullet. Table and 4 chairs. The light system in here is pretty cool. You've got the lights you can aim about anywhere. I'd put some fancy LED bulbs in them. Maybe they already have them. 30-inch range, 30-inch microwave. Got a nice bar there. You could display your wine bottles, your glasses. This trailer is fancy, boy. It was a fancy one in its time. Fancy pants, we'll call it. How about that? The carpet's nice. It's good carpet, nice and clean, not wore out. Sectional sleeper sofa. Over here is the sleeper portion. And then you can sit around by your bar, order up drinks, and watch TV. And have this, oops, why does that do that? Have the ceiling fan overhead spinning. And if you choose to get a whole lot and all, look at the view out the front of this. Nice view. Okay, I think I pretty well covered everything. This is the 2000 trophy. It's drop rear, drop front, very fancy luxury 1-bedroom park model. I'd be glad to stay in here anytime. In fact, I do at times. I love this trailer. All my friends, you can come and visit me. There you go. Come and visit. Have your own private bath, your own private bedroom. There's looking over the wall. How's that? Pretty nifty. Then you got your skylights letting all the light in. Again, your 56,000 BTU furnace. And it is a pleasing trailer to look at. It's a nice gray color with black shutters, black roof, thermopane windows. I like it. Well, there you have it. If you want to see it in person, call Kelly at 815-849-9089 or message me. Have a good one. Bye now.